Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, Sydney Retro MTB. This is just one of the latest projects I picked up a few months ago and only just getting around to working on it. It is a Mongoose, not sure exactly which model it is, I'll have to check that out. Frame's in good condition, it's got the RockShox Coupe Deluxe rear shock on it. There we've got a WTB saddle which is in pretty good nick, SSTX, WTB tyres, Mavic 221 rims on STX RC hubs, XT rear mech, looks like a pretty generic cassette there. Got a Tektro rear V-brake, STX RC cranks, some random pedals, Mongoose own pedals there. STX RC front mech, as you can see that's pretty rusted, but we should be able to clear that up. Okay, we've just jumped back in time, back to the future kind of stuff, because I've actually done the strip down of this and filmed it, but I was going through my editing of this bike check and I kind of worked out this is a Mongoose NX. I've been on the internet, I can't see this color at all on the net, so I don't know which model it is, but there is red paint underneath here and on the top. So I don't know if this has been done prior, from leaving the factory, or if it's an aftermarket paint job, I don't know. These stickers don't correlate to anything which is on the web. So again, that's all a bit random, but it looks like it's an NX. Now the front end here is the same as a VRS, but the main difference is this linkage bar here, or linkage plate, is slightly more machined out. Also on the VRS is 2 or 3 holes on the back end here, and also on the VRS the actual cable housing mounts are actually on the side, so the cables run down the side here. So subtle differences. It does look like a VRS, but it is actually an NX. Back end seems to be the same from the pictures, but yeah, I mean, you can see the red paint coming through. So unless this is an aftermarket paint job, I don't know. But yeah, I really don't know which model of NX it is, but it is an NX. What else? Core stem, Tioga headset. I think these are Judy T2s. Not 100% sure. They're actually working really well. The stanchions are good underneath as well. No decals on it, but they're definitely RockShox, and I think they are the Judy T2s. This looks like a Mongoose own hub. Kind of looks a bit like a Hadley GT one, but I think it is a Mongoose own. No decals on the front rim here. Possibly the same as the rear, but it's got a bit more of a indent curve in there, so not sure what's going on with that. Yeah, the Velociraptors 2.1s. We have got some Avid front V-brake. Avid, one second, there we go. Avid SD 1.9Ls levers, 8-speed Dior LX shifters, core stem, core bars, Mongoose grips, which are obviously ready for the bin. Couple of random bar ends. We are missing the tip out of there, and obviously the bar and plug, not an issue, you can sort that out. So yeah, all in all, like pretty nice bike. The rear shock actually works really well. Yeah, so get it cleaned up and we'll get it on Marketplace. I'm not keeping this one, but this is just for content for the channel. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Unusual frame for the mid to late 90s, early 2000s, but I think it's a mid, mostly about 97, 98. So yeah, hope you enjoy the build in a few videos, and yeah, we'll catch you on the flip side. See ya, ciao.